So this is a 1066 and the starter circuit wasn't working. Now, you had ignition there, the switch rather, and then you got the start switch there. Okay, and the starter is on this side, and that's the circuit that turns on the solenoid, and it goes down there, and then it goes to the back, and it comes out on a plug there. Now that's meant to go to a safety switch, I presume, but the previous owners disconnected it. So then we made a jumper like this, and that disables that. But that will allow it to start in gear, so be careful.